It's a 2007 Cadillac DTS. This DTS has a beautifully crafted, spacious and quiet cabin wrapped in classic Cadillac style. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Auxiliary audio input, power heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, remote engine start, heated steering wheel, V8 engine, aluminum wheels, front wheel drive, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com offers all models include standard front side impact airbags as well as front and rear side curtain airbags. Should you need assistance in an emergency or just need tickets to the basketball game, GM's OnStar communication system comes standard. For over a century, Cadillac has been synonymous with automotive innovation. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.